whatever the cradles that hold the cams in back together, because I got to turn these in today for cores to pick up the new Shelby heads. These are dual overhead cam C head. These have the newer version 9 thread spark plug holes, C version heads. I guess I used them on the Shelby. I guess they're highly sought after, but that's what's on my wife's Aviator. All right, we're gonna put this on fast forward, put them all together, and then do a quick video up close so you can see the heads and why I'm turning them in. All right, the heads are back together. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the exhaust valves all got burned on both heads. It's the driver's head, the passenger head. They're all put back together because I got to turn them in as cores. Oops. Good thing it's going in as a core. Driver's head. All right. Hopefully they call shortly and say they're ready. We'll go trade these out for some rebuilt ones.